guys, welcome back to our channel. So Keandra and I today, we have a couple of things to do today, but before we get into them, I wanted to show you guys my Christmas gift to myself. I decided to go ahead and buy something for myself. The other day we were in the Tory Burch store and I got me a little something, just a little something, a little snack. So you guys know how I love rings, like I have a little collection of them. I have several Tory Burch rings and I love her rings. They're so amazing, like really great quality, really nice, really pretty. It came in this, sorry, messed up the bow before I showed you guys. Cute. I don't know why they put it in that, to put it in this bag. We were in the store. So this is the little baggie that it came in. I think all of my rings that I have from her have a dust bag. So even the ones that were like secondhand, I think all of them had one. And it was, I think it was $170, and with tax it was like $180 something. But here she is. Let me take this off so you can really see it. This is the ring I got. I saw this in the case and I was like, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. They have earrings that kind of match it too. I didn't have to have those. It's a size 7 and I normally wear a size 7, but today, this is my smaller hand, it's not fitting. And it fit in the store, oh well, it's kind of going on that one, but it fit in the store perfectly the other day. The 8 was kind of wobbly, like it would swing on my hand, so I had to get this one. I wish that they had like a 7.25 or something like that, because that is what I normally wear. But when it's a ring that's only like a 7 or 8, I do go to a 7. I have plenty of 7s in her rings that I'm still able to wear, even like with my hands. I think they're a little swollen. I gotta figure out what's going on with that, but I actually need to drink my water and put my feet up and stuff. I know that I need to do that. So, and over the holiday season, I have gone up. So, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take it back to get a size 8 or keep the 7 and then, you know, when my hands go down, because like I said, just the other day, it was fitting perfectly. And then now it's not even going on at all. Like, well, and then yesterday, this would stop here and then wouldn't even go down to here. So I know that the swelling is going down in my hands. And then, like I said, my left hand is smaller than my right hand and it's not even going on there. And it's too large for my pinkies. I'll lose it this way. So I can't wear it on the pinkies either. But I will be getting either the size 8 or I'll just be like, I'm gonna wait like a couple of weeks to see how my hands do, how they go down, because I need to stop eating so much high sodium stuff. Like this holiday season, it's just wrecking my diet, okay? It's wrecking my whole plans. And so I know that once I do that, then my hands will go back down. So, but yeah, this is the ring. It is so pretty. I hate that I can't wear it today. I mean, I'm not planning on wearing it today anyways, but you know, like if I wanted to. But I will decide what I do and I'll let you guys know. And speaking of rings, you guys know that my Gucci ring, the center stone fell out of it a week ago. And I contacted Gucci, so that's the last thing that you guys heard was I contacted Gucci. I emailed them all of the information for the ring. And I also told you guys that I was hoping to wear it for Christmas. And even though the guy told me that it could be like up to 4 weeks for them to fix it, they haven't contacted me back yet. And so I'm not going to wait. I'm going to go ahead and take it to Pickens, the jeweler that we had our earrings adjusted, the same ones that look like this. We had those earrings adjusted with them. So I'm going to see if they can put the stone back into the set and just, you know, have it that way, because I just don't want to wait anymore. And I don't trust those processes anyways. Like those companies have those kinds of processes for stuff like this, but it just hasn't worked. Like even when I took my earrings back to Fendi after they turned green after like a year, they just exchanged them, like they replaced them. They didn't do like a repair on them or anything like that. So like none of those processes are like going the way that they said that they would. And being that they don't have this ring anymore, it's not just a simple replacement. And so I don't know what they're going to say. So I'm not waiting around. I'm just going to go ahead and go to Pickens today. So we'll go to Pickens today, and then I don't know what else we have planned today, but oh, we have to do some content. So we have to do some content that is like short form content today, and then I think our schedule is pretty clear after that. I do kind of need to prep for our live tomorrow. I need to get a little game together or something together so that we can all have a good time. So that might be what I do this evening. Okay guys, so I just left Pickens, or we just left Pickens, and they said that to give them about a week. Today is Wednesday. Christmas Eve is next Wednesday. So she said they're trying to get everything out by the holidays. We leave next Tuesday, so I'm hoping they can have it done before next Tuesday because we leave early next Tuesday. So I'm hoping that they can have it done. But you know, I will keep you guys posted. Now we're about to go and get something to eat, and yeah, and we don't know what we're gonna eat, so let me go ahead and get off of here so that we can decide.